What is going on, guys? It is your boy J Hank Music here, and today in this video I'm going to be doing a unboxing of the iPhone 13. As you can see, please go into focus. Stupid Samsung. Hello. Thank you. Okay, yeah. As you can see, this is the iPhone 13, and this is a green. Come on, zoom, like focus, please. Yeah, so iPhone 13 green, 128 gigabyte, marked as, what's that say? Ferron. Okay, yeah, so that's just a whole bunch of mumble jumble information. Let's get to opening the phone, shall we? Okay, so let's get into it. So you open it up. There's the phone in alpine green, or whatever the color is that it's being unboxed in. So let's do this, and let's do the peel. Oh, fuck yeah. But yeah, like, look at this phone. It's like sick. Like the colors in it and everything. Wow. But yeah, this thing is like amazing. It's like the build quality of it too is like insane. It's like, well, obviously that's glass. Then you got the two cameras. But yeah, this is all around an amazing phone. As well as that, I also have a case for it. So let's put that on.